Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be doing a CVT fluid change video, showing you guys how to change the CVT fluid on the Honda Civic. Thank you to AMSOIL for sponsoring the video. They actually sent me tons of product. We got a Wix filter for an oil change. We got some oil for a regular oil change. And what we're doing today is this one, CVT fluid, 100% synthetic, from AMSOIL. This is the best stuff you guys can get, and some coolant booster as well as some coolant right there. So anyway, guys, I'm excited to try this stuff out. Let's get right into it. So here I got my car up on ramps, and we do have a 24-quart drain container to store the fluid until we're ready to bring it in and recycle it. So make sure you guys have your car up on ramps or jack stands. Then you guys are going to want to remove the splash shield from under the engine, and this is what you guys are going to see. You're going to want to remove the drain bolt here with a 3/8 ratchet. It's pretty easy to do. You just got to use both hands and you should be able to get that bolt off. We got a lot of the old CVT fluid coming out here. So anyway, once you guys are done draining all your CVT fluid, make sure to reinstall the drain bolt with a new washer and tighten it to 35 foot-pounds of torque. Alright, once you guys are done draining your CVT fluid, and right down here in your engine bay behind your airbox it says HCF2, and mine's really dirty, you can barely read that down there. But go ahead and remove that and put a long funnel in there so you can reach it. I went ahead and cleaned it up so it looks nice. But anyway, here we go. We are going to be putting some AMSOIL CVT fluid in the car. If you're just doing a CVT fluid change and not a full flush, you will need 4 quarts of CVT fluid, because that's what's going to come out. And 4 quarts is what you're going to put back in. So here we go. We got our AMSOIL synthetic CVT fluid, and we're going to be putting that in here. If you guys do get a little spillage on the side, make sure you guys clean it up before you start your car again. But we only got a little bit on that tube right there and cleaned it up right after. Once you guys are done filling the 4 quarts, make sure you wipe down the area in case you had a little bit of more spillage in the area. And once you are done cleaning up, it is time to put your HCF2 plug back in. And then once it's all the way in and secure, you guys are good to start your engine and test out the CVT fluid, get it flowing through your transmission. So here we are inside the car. We're gonna turn on the car. Once your engine's running, I would wait a second and then start going through your gears. So we're gonna go from park into reverse. Wait 3 seconds between each one into the next gear. Obviously neutral's not going to do anything. Now into drive. Now go into the S mode. And lastly, low gear. And go right back. 3 seconds between each one, just to get the transmission fluid running through your transmission, of course. You guys can do this once or twice, but at least do it once, waiting a few seconds between each one, and you should be good after that. And while you guys have the car running and you're doing this, make sure you take the time to check and make sure everything is good and secure.
The plug is secure down there, and also check under your car that there's nothing leaking. So we are all good down here. Nothing's leaking out of the drain bolt, since we did tighten it to 35 foot-pounds. Anyway, thank you guys for watching the video. I hope it did really help you guys out. If it did, make sure to drop a like on it. And if you guys want to stay tuned for more automotive content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Anyway, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.